Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add pages in Affinity Designer. Whether you're setting up a new project or expanding an existing design, knowing how to manage pages efficiently will help you organize your work and create multi-page documents with ease. Pages are especially useful when you are working on larger projects like brochures, presentations, magazines, social media designs, or any project that requires multiple layouts inside one file. Instead of creating separate documents for every design, you can keep everything organized in one place. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, direct your attention to the upper left toolbar where you'll find the File menu. Click on File, then select New from the drop-down options. This will open a dialog box where you can set up your document parameters. Here, you can control important settings before starting your project, including the document size, page dimensions, and other setup options that match your design requirements. You'll need to select the page size that suits your project needs. For example, you can choose standard sizes like A4 for documents, or select custom dimensions if you are creating something specifically for digital platforms or printing. Now here's where the multi-page setup happens. In the right panel, you'll see a section labeled Page. Navigate to the multi-page option and click on it. This activates the multi-page functionality for your document, allowing you to work with multiple pages instead of a single canvas. Working with multiple pages makes it much easier to manage complex projects because you can keep different sections, layouts, or variations inside the same document without switching between multiple files. Below this, find the Number of Pages field. Simply click the up arrow next to this field to increase the page count. Each click adds another page to your document. You can add as many pages as your project requires, making this feature useful for creating complete documents with multiple sections. Once you've set the number of pages you want, click Create Document. Your new multi-page document will now be ready to use with all pages accessible from the Pages panel. The Pages panel allows you to move between your pages quickly, organize your layouts, and make changes without losing track of your designs. Alternatively, if you're working on an existing file and need to add pages, there's another method using the Artboard tool in the left sidebar. Locate and click on the Artboard tool. Once activated, you'll notice something interesting happens around your existing artboard. You'll see 4 sides with plus icons positioned at the top left, right, and bottom edges. These plus signs are shortcuts for quickly duplicating your artboard. If you want to easily copy your current artboard with all its dimensions and settings, simply click whichever plus sign you prefer. Whether it's the top left, right, or bottom one, go ahead and click it, and you'll see an identical artboard appear in that direction. This method is very useful when you want to create similar layouts quickly. For example, if you are designing multiple social media posts with the same size, you can duplicate an artboard and adjust the content, instead of starting from the beginning. If you need a customized size instead of duplicating an existing artboard, the Artboard tool offers even more flexibility. Simply drag to make a square or rectangle in your blank area. This allows you to create artboards of any dimension you need, perfectly tailored to specific sections of your project. You can create as many custom-sized artboards as you want by repeating this process, giving you complete control over your document layout. Custom artboards are helpful when working on projects that require different screen sizes, advertising formats, or unique design layouts. You can create each section with its own dimensions, while keeping everything organized inside one file. And there you have it. You now know 2 different methods for adding pages in Affinity Designer. One for starting fresh documents, and another for expanding existing projects. Using the right method depends on your workflow. If you are beginning a new project, the multi-page document option is the best choice. If you already have a design and want to expand it, using artboards gives you more flexibility. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.